Good morning, everyone. Um, Very good. Okay. See, yesterday, this was not shown, right? Product management. Immediately, which was not appeared here. Today it is updated. It is taking some time to update this work area. I was what I did yesterday in the item class. I was assigned my user um, for the master organization and inventory are also assigned product data steward. So click on this product management and you will find the PIN, product information management. So this is the place we can use to define items and update items. So item nothing but product. Product can be a goods and service. Again, in goods, it can be a finished good, raw material, sub-assembly, accessories, packing material. All comes under goods only. Let me define items. See here, you will find the some list of the task. So you can say it is task list. Okay. Click on task list. So then you will find the list of the task. Here, create item. Here enter master organization. So my master organization TM IMO, right? This one. So here item class, my item class, root item class. Select OK. And so those are list of the templates I was showing you, right, in yesterday's session. I'm defining this item as purchased item. Select OK. Just ignore this pop-up, warning pop-up. Select yes. And enter name of the item. TM underscore. So here only I'll define inventory items, fixed asset items, and expense items. Okay, all different item type of items will define from this page only. Laptop. 100. So this is the one of the item, one of the model, laptop 100. Okay. Then select item status, active. life cycle phase also select active. In the bottom, you can find, see, this is unit of measure defaulting box. Yesterday I was updated item template, right? But generally, laptops will purchase in what? EHS. We can update. You no need to continue with the default unit of measure. So likewise, other item attributes also you can update. Under specifications, here we will have a different functional areas, manufacturing, service, inventory, physical attributes. Under that, you will find the different sections. Under different sections, you will find attributes. Those we can say item attributes. So based on those attribute selection, this item will act in the system. Okay. So how system will know this item is purchased item? Under purchasing functional area, here you will find purchased, purchasable, yes. So when enable these two item attributes, yes, then system it will allow you in the P2P cycle creating purchase order. Okay. Same way, here purchasing price. Suppose here I am selecting some $1,500. Okay. And yeah, after that, assign item to the inventory. Go to association. A defined item in master organization. So this is my master. And assigning item to my organization inventory. So my inventory name is INV1, right? Yeah. Apply. And done. So likewise, in
what are those templates means? ATO, PTO, and all.
Those also templates only, but ATO means assemble to order.
Yeah, but there are so many I saw that, right? Like purchasable, finished goods, and all. I just saw that list.
Maybe some users created for practice purpose, copied. That is the reason there is some big list is available.
Okay. Okay.
But real time, you will not find this many, very few.
Okay.
Save it. Save the file. And now here, one thing you should understand, anyway, that will define our own later in inventory management. Coming to categories. Here, see, those categories I haven't assigned. Those are defaulted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is important thing for us actually, purchasing. So this the catalog defined under purchasing functional area. So this is controlling at master level. Master level means this is organization, inventory level, two control levels. So this is the default category, miscellaneous. Okay, now this item listing under what purchasing catalog under miscellaneous category. So suppose if you want, you can change it. You no need to continue with default category. I will change to what some office supplies like this. Okay. So same way, other catalogs categories for other functional areas that we'll see later. So then select save. Save and close. Same way, you can repeat and create more items. In real time, in implementation project, you cannot define like this one by one. You will load the data, hundreds of data, thousands of items, lakhs of items through a PDA template. Okay, you remember this? This will discuss at a time all the data migration, FBDA. So this is option is available, bulk data, we can load through the BDI. So,
That is for one-time load FBDI, right? And what about the daily, like if with the new inventory been, we need to add one at a time, right? So there will be some interfaces been provided, or how is it?
not required. See, suppose now in initial implementation, there are 5 inventories. We loaded all the data to 5 inventories. Later, maybe we may define new inventory. The same template, we can utilize it.
Yeah. Okay. My scenario will be like if the inventory need to be maintained by the, so for example, from a Dell customer, they're defining a new item in their system. So I need to maintain in my system also, as I'm the I'm the let's say logistic provider, right? So in that case, obviously, I will not do every time manually, or for that matter, create it manually or load it manually, right?
Correct.
So there will be
So
some interface been
suppose
provided.
again we need to develop the inbound interfaces.
Okay.
So
Okay.
anyway, here we have standard ESA jobs like item import
Right.
programs and all.
Right. Right. Okay.
We need to develop the bridge.
I did develop the bridge. The bridge is not provided seeded. That's what I'm asking. Okay.
Seeded will not be available for all the tools.
Okay.
We need
Okay.
to develop. We may utilize OIC integrations.
Okay. I got. Okay. Because nowadays I'm seeing that customer is sending the EDI files, EDI 800 file.
Yeah,
Uh,
correct.
yeah.
In
So
EBS,
based on, yeah.
we using EDI numbering,
Mm,
EDI numbers.
mm,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So here, this Oracle Cloud also it will support for EDI.
Yeah. Yeah.
So again, I'm creating purchased item. Select OK. Suppose it's a manufacturing organization. The manufacture any mobiles, laptops, or automobiles, anything. So engine. Whatever. Something. My keyboard.
What happened?
I don't know. My keyboard, it is taking special characters.
Oh, maybe your function key is enabled in your keyboard, or disabled. Got disabled. FN key maybe.
Oh, oh. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one of the here also. Yeah, here I was shown you right some attribute purchase price. It's not mandatory to select always, but when implemented, planning modules, either inventory planning or ASCP, Advanced Supply Chain Planning. If source is supplier, this purchase price selection is mandatory. Some value that can be zero also, no problem. but actual price will pick up from either quotation or agreements. Okay.
Okay.
Then assign item to inventory. Two items I created just for testing purpose. Save and close. Yeah. So now go and check whether those items appearing or not in procurement in the requisition. Click on purchase requisitions. Go to task list, enter requisition line. Yesterday I was defined requisitions without item, only with category. Now today, let's see. TM underscore. Here you will find the items, whatever items. Only two items were defined, right? So these two items are coming. See now, price also it is defaulting from purchasing price attribute. So how many laptops required? 10 laptops required. So based on value, yesterday we have defined some approval rules, right? That I was defined specifically for my business unit. If someone again updated disturbed, I need to correct it. Maximum, they will not disturb. Why? Because I have created my rules for my business unit. Yeah, now add it to cart. Yeah, if you are confident with the given details, you directly submit. So system will follow the approval hierarchy. If you want to review, see the verify the details, better you select review. Yeah, you can verify all the details. And so this is the approval amount, $15,000. So up to 20,000 given automatic approvals, right? Also, you can verify here any changes happen in approval workflow. Yeah, so it's okay, not updated anything. My rules are as it is with there, but we need to understand first. So this is the charge account definition. Charge account, how it is deriving. Why the charge account? Okay. So this is very important concept in real time. Here also in real time, you will find more different scenarios, criterias to default this charge account. Okay, here also you should spend more time in approvals and transaction accounting builder. So let's see. First, let's have a overview on this. Then we can configure it. Transaction accounting builder. Whenever you created a new primary ledger, this tag you must be defined. New configuration, it is required. So now in our testing example, I used seeded primary ledger, right? US primary ledger. For that US primary ledger already tag definition is available, existed. So this is the cause the charge account is coming. Now what I have to do, I should remove this tag from that primary ledger. Now, all the people will face the problem who are using US primary ledger. So that is the reason we should create our own primary ledger. Okay. Anyway, we don't have option. I'll remove that. Select setup and maintenance. Go to procurement. Under procurement, so you will have a procurement transaction account rules, subledger accounting options, manage subledger accounting options. My primary ledger, US primary ledger. Select search. Here you can search the application name, purchasing. Select accounting options. Here is del tag. So this one also somebody created actually. It's not seeded one. Seeded one, this one. Purchasing tab, defaulting, accounting. In licensed version also you will find this. Remaining all. So this one GFC tab also you will find it. Remaining. This through defined by some users. Okay. So I'll keep it blank just for some time. Save it. Save it. Plus. Now we go to again back to go and create another what line? Enter requisition line. TM engine. One quantity, add to cart. See here now, charge account is not defaulting. Why? Because so this is the in real time in the fresh instance, you will paste like this. You will not find any charge account combination here. So without defaulting or selecting charge account, you cannot add this line to cart. So you need to concentrate on and start configuring transaction accounting builder, transaction accounting definition. I mean, both are same, tab tag. Okay. So before start configuration, first let's have a overview on receipt accounting entries. Receipt accounting. So here, yeah, here you can keep. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So here, in the P2P cycle, there after creating the PO by buyer, he will send this PO to supplier. Supplier will supply goods or service to organization. My organization people will create receipt and they will receive into organization.
We
Here we'll
cannot hear you.
sorry.
Yeah, your voice was gone. I don't know.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah. So here, at the time of receiving, here we'll have a two steps actually. Receive and deliver. Receive and deliver. Receive. At the time of receiving, how accounts will be debited, credit. So here, receiving inspection account. receiving inspection account will debit. So suppose that value is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh will be debited, and inventory AP accrual account. Inventory AP accrual account will credit for 1 lakh. See, again, there are two types of accruals: inventory AP accrual account and expense AP accrual account. Expense AP accrual account I'll use for what? Expense item. Yeah, anyway, this one also I listed here. See, accounting entries for inventory items. Receiving inspection account debit, inventory AP accrual account credit at the time of receiving. At the time of delivery, inventory valuation account debit for 1 lakh. Receiving inspection account credit for 1 lakh. Now what happened here? Inspection account, receiving inspection account debited one time, and at the time of delivery credited. That means this account will be nullified. Debit value minus credit value equal to 0, right? This will be nullified, knocked off. So, but finally, what accounts will have the balance? Inventory valuation account and inventory AP accrual account. This inventory AP accrual account also will have a balance until create the AP invoice. Once AP invoice is created, liability account will debit for 1 lakh. Inventory AP accrual account credit for 1 lakh. See, once AP invoice created, again accrual account also it is nullified. It is knocked off. So finally, liability account will have a balance. Sorry, this is a reverse actually. It's not like this. Is corrected. So first what will happen? Yeah. So now, once invoice is created, earlier inventory AP accrual account was credited, now it is debited. So this value minus this, it is 0. Now finally, a liability account in credit side, inventory valuation account debit side. So material value I received, that is the reason it is debited. Liability account, nothing but it's supplier account. In supplier account, so stock was shipped, right? So that is the reason it is credited. Next what? At the time of payment. So I'll make payment to my supplier based on due date, based on payment terms. What will happen? Liability account will debit for 1 lakh. My cash account credit for 1 lakh. Right? So those are accounting entries. Cash I will pay, right? It will go out. So that is the reason cash account is crediting. My supplier account will receive. So liability account is debiting. So finally, material received. So material account debited. Liability account debited. This is for cash value. This is for material value. So my cash account is credited. So this is what accounting entry in P2P cycle for inventory item. Same we will have a accounting entries for expense item and what? Asset item also. In asset item, what? Here, inventory valuation place, uh, asset clearing account will debit. Asset clearing account will debit. And also here, you can maintain some other accrual account, some different naming convention, different code you can maintain. Asset AP accrual account, something like that you can maintain. If item is expense item, here expense account will debit, here expense AP accrual account will credit. Okay, that you remember, slowly we'll understand this. First, you concentrate on this inventory item. Okay, in interview also they will concentrate, they will ask you more about this entries only for inventory item. So now, to have this entry in the P2P cycle, procure to pay cycle, you need to define transaction accounting builder, and also we need to define another configuration, receipt accounting and cost accounting. Right? TAD, receipt accounting, cost accounting. TAD, this will utilize for deriving accounts to requisition and purchase order distributions. So here available in the TAD, what are the accounts will configure? Inventory valuation account, nothing but we can say it is charge account. And accrual account. So there is another account is variance account. Variance account here not listed. When this variance account will hit, will impact if implemented standard costing method. Standard. So there are different types of costing methods: the standard, average, and actual. So these are the three different types of costing methods are there. This variance account will hit only in standard costing method. It will not impact in average and actual costing methods. So now we need to define TAD for charge account, accrual account, and variance account for these three. Okay. So to define TAD, what are the configuration steps we need to follow? One is a mapping set. Next word, account rule. Next, define transaction account definition. Subledger accounting options. So these four steps, setups, you need to configure it. But exactly always is required to maintain the sequence, not required again. Mapping set, is that mandatory to define or maintain this tag? No, it's not mandatory. Directly you can specify the source from which place you want to pick account combination. Okay. Then anyway, TAD is mandatory setup. This one also it's mandatory. Okay, now suppose in PR, purchase requisition or purchase order, irrespective of what details you are selecting in the requisition and the purchase order, always system has to default the same account code. It will never change. You select any details, same account combination will maintain. In that case, directly I'll define account rule where I'll take the option as constant. But based on selection information, say suppose if item is inventory item, this is the account code combination has to default. If item is expense item, this is the code combination has to default. Yes, then you need to define the mapping set. Okay, inventory wise, location wise, category wise. So accounts code combination will change. So that time also mapping set must be defined. First, I'll show you directly account rule. Then we'll discuss about mapping set. First, understand why this tag. Then we'll see something detailed discussion next further. Okay. So here manage account rules. Here you can find the seeded account rules also. How will you know what are the seeded account rules are there? Created by application. Yes. Click on search. Which are created by Oracle. Seeded. You can utilize if those are suitable for your business, meet your business requirement, you can utilize this. See here, there is the charge account. Requisition charge account. If it is suitable this directly without configuring custom mapping set, I can use it. So source encumbrance accounting requisition code combination ID. Encumbrance accounting. This way you will maintain encumbrance in the budgets, right? In the budget control. In the budget control, you will specify what is the encumbrance account in the financial side. So from there it will pick it when enabled budgets. If not enabled budgets, this will not work. No use. You cannot use this. Okay, and here there is another option also available for charge account. So here selected as sources. If any charge account selected in the preferences, user predefined account, sub-inventory expense account. Okay, and item level, if selected any expense account, employee level, selected any account. So these are the priorities actually. So first priority system will check it. Any requisition charge account is there. If not available, it will take from here. It will not available, it will take from here. These are the priorities we can define. Also, in the bottom, we can maintain the conditions also. Here, cross B, you know, requisition charge account all, not null. So not null means if not selected, not null. That means already some value is available. So something like this we can define conditions also. So here see, this one is destination type code expense. That means this will work for only expense destination. When select the destination type, it will not support for inventory. This is also a expense. Okay. See, it is equal to inventory they selected here. Destination type are equal to inventory. But each and every conditions, even I cannot say what is exact meaning. We need to spend time. We need to understand. Destination type code expense and employee charge account is all is not null. So maybe if anything business requirement is different, you must be define your own account rule. Okay. Now here I am defining my own account rule. So my requirement is just it's simple requirement I am telling you. What details you are selecting in requisition purchase orders doesn't matter. Always system has to pick the same charge account, same variance account, same accrual account. So these accounts are already defined in chart of account in account segment. From there, I'll take this values combinations. So TM underscore TM charge account rule. Here my chart of account. So this I will check in primary ledger. What is the chart of account assigned to primary ledger that I will select here. Okay. So what is the US chart of account? How I know that this is the charge account I need to select? So I was verified in primary ledger. What chart of account assigned to primary ledger? Here I am selecting. How I came to know what is my primary ledger? I was connected to my financial consultant. So he was provided all these details. This is the primary ledger using for so and so business. So that is the reason we utilized for inventory creation. So now see here, there are options available: account combination, segment, and value set. Now I'll use this one just for quick understanding account combination. Here, rule. Here you will have options: account rule, constant, mapping set, and source. Here I'm selecting a constant. Constant is it's easy option. So here my company was what was the value defined? Yeah, so 900 value was defined. And this line of businesses, what you want to select. So account here, accounts already defined. This is for charge account, right? Inventory material value 14100. Select OK. See now, cost center, product, and intercompany selected zeros, dummy values. This combination is invalid. Do not use this combination. Why? I need to check in GL side again. Just a minute. I'm just verifying. Uh, that's report. Just a minute. So here, minus structure. So I know all this. That is the reason directly I'm selecting here. Okay. Uh, corporate and countries structure. This is enabled. Fine. Here already a dynamic combination creation allowed. Okay, here a structure level, it's okay. It is already enabled. It should allow dynamic combination creation allow. And also, let me verify. Yeah, deployment status, it is error. So somebody created their own chart of accounts, but it is not properly defined. So this is the cause. It got deployment status error. So from here, I will see from here error message with because which uh, this is failed. It is Raju structure. Somebody created this one. Because of this, it is failed. So this one, not defined properly, this one. Company primary balancing, that's fine. Department, why this many assigned given? Count. Here also not given actual account. 7 plus. Again, we need to deploy it. So this will take time actually. We cannot quickly complete this. Deployment also it will take time. First, I need to correct here. I should try again. If still I'm facing that combination issue, then I need to check any security rules defined in general ledger. Anyway, in real time, you will not what investigate or you will not analyze all this in financials. So if you are facing this combination is not allowed, you will check with your GL consultant. So I'm facing this issue. I'm trying to select this combination. System it is not allowing. So he will correct it. He will help you. Yeah, this will take actually, it will take time to fix this issue. Otherwise, we can do for time being, I will use that this combination only, 101 combination only for time being. Okay. Actually, I should select 990 that was defined for my legal entity and the business unit. Anyway, just to understand, I will use this. At least I will complete today this. Save it. Save it. Create another. Same way you can repeat for charge account completed, right? Variance account rule. Chart of account. Yes, chart of account. Select OK. Here also I'm selecting constant. Account variance account. So here purchase price, variance account. Save and create another. TM inventory AP accrual account rule. Yes, chart of account. Constant. Your approval account separately not defined here for inventory. Approved receipts. I'll take this one. So this must be liability account actually. Save and close. So three rules I define with constant. Then you define transaction accounting definitions. It is TAD. TM underscore TAD. My chart of account US primary ledger. So here I am assigning my account rules, whatever rules I defined. It is accrual account, right? TM inventory charge account. TM charge account. Destination charge destination account. Also, I'm selecting same. TM variance account. Destination variance and this one also I'm defining same. So this is the accrual account, charge account, variance account. Now save it. Activate. And done. After completing tag, you need to define sub. So this is very high level. I'm showing you how this tag will work. First, you understand initially, then you can think in some in detail. Okay. So search here purchasing. Select accounting options. Here TM tag. Save. Save and close. Now go and create again requisition. Earlier it was failed, right? Creating requisition, charge account was not defaulted. If charge account is not defaulted, it will not allow you to add in cart. So it is mandatory setup, defining tag. TM and quantity here, see, now it is defaulting 14100. I was given as inventory material value, right? So, and also I was defined two more rule also, variance account and accrual account. But in requisition, it will default only charge account. Variance account and accrual account will not default. But only I defined charge account, not defined the variance account and accrual account. Will system default charge account to requisition? No. Defining three, it is must. But charge account only will be defaulted. You remember this, okay? Add to cart. But where other two will default in the purchase order will default all three. Charge account, accrual account and variance account. But in requisition will default only charge account. Now successfully I added. Okay, earlier yeah, I also selected same combination 14100. If you select, anyway, that we'll discuss in next class again. Mapping site that time also we'll understand. So then submit for approvals. Based on approval hierarchy, it will go to, it will follow and it will send the notifications to that. They will reject or approve it. So this is about that high level understanding. We'll see once again in the next session. We'll discuss. Any questions?
Not as of now. But this is generally done by the finance guys, right? We don't need to bother about it.
No, this three.
Okay.
TAD, receipt accounting, cost accounting. You have to take care.
We have to
Supply
take
chain.
care. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.